Alright, what's up guys? This is Lightsaber Freak 627 from the forums, here to show you my first purchase from UltraSabers. I got the Dark Initiate LEV4, just a stunt saber. Changed the pommel on it. I decided I didn't like just the flat pommel, so I went with the Dark Catalyst pommel, and it kind of works out well too if I ever want to add sound to this saber, so that kind of was a plus. I got this, I ordered it a week from Sunday, and even though it was on back order, it was shipped out last Wednesday. And so I was very happy with that. And I received it last Saturday, and I haven't had really any time to do a video review until now, so let me just start by saying that pictures and videos do not do this saber hilt justice. This is a gorgeous saber hilt. The machining is perfect. It's got good weight, feels well balanced, and overall I'm very impressed with the craftsmanship of this saber. The only thing I will say is that when I ordered the saber, I asked UltraSabers to put the CoverTech wheel on, which would be your left side, which if you're looking at the front of the saber, be right. The right side near the pommel, not the left side, but that's a minor thing. I can work around that, you know. I'd planned with my other hand, it would be like here, so I could grip saber this way, but whatever, it works. This is probably the best choke point on the saber hilt, in my opinion. Offers the best control over the blade, the best precise control over the blade. It's very nice, and with the windows in the emitter, which look really nice, it also adds a little bit extra grip. I went with the 32-inch Ultra Edge heavy grade blade, which I was a little concerned about how the color would be, simply because it's the heavy grade blade, but it looks really nice. I mean, it's broad daylight. It's about going on 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I took a video of it on my phone last night, which is also what I'm taking this video on, out in my driveway after I got out of work, just swinging it around. I might post that up on YouTube in a little bit after I'm done with this one. I went with the Ultra Edge heavy grade. Got the pointed tip because I like the look of the pointed tip better than the rounded tip. Other than that, there's not much more to say about the actual saber itself. I mean, the color is very nice, even in as well lit of a house as I am now. I have to be a little bit careful when I'm swinging around in the house because I might hit something and break it, but it's got a very nice feel to it. Here's a little bit better what shows the color of the blade. I don't know, even in broad daylight, the blue shows very nicely. I could even hold this out in the sun, and while it wouldn't glow, you could still see that the blade is blue. And I'm overall very impressed with this lightsaber. I will be buying more. I'm actually already planning my next purchase from UltraSabers, which brings me to my next point. I want to ask you guys your opinion. I was thinking about getting the Catalyst, and I wanted to get it in either blazing red or probably violet amethyst. But after looking at some of the reviews of it, looking at the actual construction of the saber itself, I've noticed that the blade socket is very shallow. And my concern about that would be, would it be good enough to be heavy dueling with it because of the fact that the blade socket's so shallow? It's either that or it's going to be the shock, either the shock or the shock LE. And if I do the shock, it'll probably be in Consular Green, I'm thinking. So if you want to let me know in the comments what you know about the Catalyst, or if anybody has a Catalyst, if they use it for heavy dueling or if they use it for light dueling, let me know. It's going to influence my next Sabers purchase quite a bit. I'm probably going to stick with the 32-inch blade for now. For someone as small as me, I mean, I only stand about a 5'3", so I can stand the saber up, and it comes up to about almost the bottom of my rib cage. So it's a comfortable length for me to swing it around, be able to use it, duel it with it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, catalyst or shock. And I just wanted to say thank you to UltraSabers for this wonderful lightsaber. I love it, and this will not be my last one, I can guarantee you that. It's a very nice saber, and I'm very happy with it. And I love the color. I was trying to dissuade myself from going with a blue blade for my first one, but I've always liked blue lightsabers. Ever since Star Wars Episode 1, even when I saw Obi-Wan with his blue lightsaber, and then Anakin with his in Episodes 2 and 3, and Luke's lightsaber in Episode 4, and you know, it's just, blue has been my favorite color of lightsaber for as long as I've been a Star Wars fan. So my next one is either going to be consular green if I go with the shock, which is kind of in keeping with Attack of the Clones, because that's what the hilt reminds me of, is the the duel between Obi-Wan and Anakin and Count Dooku when they're using sabers that were given to them by other Jedi because they'd lost theirs. So that would be consular green, or if I do the shock, it's going to either be a blazing red or violet amethyst. So let me know what you guys think. Love my saber. And I also want to say thank you to the forum members for kind of being informative and helping me out with some of the information I asked for and for my first purchase. You guys are awesome. And rest assured that when I do get my next saber, you guys will be the first to see it. Okay, bye.